Hey guys, it's Tia. Welcome to the video. So I've been asked a couple times about YouTube itself as a side hustle, how much money I make from YouTube. Can you even make anything substantial without having millions of subscribers? So today I am going to be revealing how much money I make on YouTube and explaining how it all works as well. I make money from YouTube in two main ways. Firstly, we've got ad revenue, and then secondly, affiliate income. As of now, I've never had any sponsors, and I don't sell any courses or anything like that. So I'll be showing you guys how much I make from both per month and showing you the inside of the back of my dashboards as well. But firstly, I want you guys to guess. So multiple choice quiz. How much do I make on YouTube in total from ad revenue and affiliate commissions? So pick one, take a guess, and we'll see what the correct answer is near the end of the video. So it's been around 2 years since I started this channel. It's basically my side hustle diary, so I talk mostly about e-commerce and money related topics. Now, when I first started, I had no idea you could make money from YouTube. So the reason I made a channel in the first place was because I needed a place to put MP4 video files. It's mostly sort of lecture content I downloaded from my university's e-learning portal, and that's why I have so many private videos on my channel. At the same time, I was consuming a lot of YouTube content. I mostly watched side hustle videos. So at the time, Shopify dropshipping and print on demand was very popular. You can probably tell by that I was not in a great place financially, but by actually following some tips that people were giving out for free on YouTube, I actually managed to make a little bit of money just using Wi-Fi. Obviously, not everything I tried worked. Most things failed, but some things did work, which I thought was really cool. And I remember making my first sale online. I couldn't believe that another person somewhere in the world had just bought something that I put on the internet. I followed a YouTube tutorial to get there, and it was just an amazing feeling. So I was really excited to tell people about it and actually help other students or just anyone really that doesn't have a couple thousand spare bucks lying around to start a quote proper business. And because I'd already uploaded hundreds of these private videos, I was really familiar with the process of uploading to YouTube, so it wasn't a difficult leap to just make a video and then set it to public. The direct method of making money from uploading videos is ad revenue, and you would have seen an ad at the beginning of this video, for example. So I get a tiny bit of money whenever someone views or clicks on that ad, and the more views I get on those ads, the more money I get. Now, YouTube is owned by Google, and in order to understand how this works, you've got to think of Google web pages and YouTube videos and all the content on these platforms as one massive marketplace for advertisements. I know people get annoyed by that because ads are annoying if you don't have YouTube Premium, but I'm just trying to explain the revenue model. So Google is a smart company in that they've developed this online system where money can be made without any sort of transactions actually being placed, and this sort of revenue model is one of the reasons they are so successful. So in a marketplace, you have buyers and sellers, and then here we have the advertisers who buy ad space using AdWords for a certain price per impressions or click, so CPM or CPC ads, in order to sell a product or service, and they do this through Google AdWords. And then publishers who create content, which is essentially ad space, so that's YouTube content creators like me, website owners, anyone that monetizes their account through Google AdSense. This is where it can get confusing. So if you hear someone say, I made X amount of money with Google Ads, then they are most likely talking about revenue from selling a product using Google AdWords as an ad buyer. Whereas if they say, I made X amount from Google Ads, then they're talking as a publisher, so people like me, who's getting paid by having ads on their content and then getting views on those ads. So that's how you make money from ads on YouTube. So YouTube creators need to connect their Google AdSense account to their YouTube channel to make money from ads. But you have to get approved first. And for a website, that's getting approved by Google themselves. And if you have a YouTube channel, you need to get approved by YouTube, where you enter the YouTube partner program. So in order to qualify, you need 4,000 watch hours over the past 12 months and 1,000 subscribers, and some other boxes checked, like not having any community guideline strikes. So the advertisers can buy ads on a cost per views or cost per clicks basis, And this is essentially a bidding system. So the advertiser willing to pay the most gets the first ad space, and so on. For the content creator, you might have heard that different niches have a different CPM. So CPM stands for cost per mil, which means how much a YouTuber gets paid per 1,000 views, or how much an advertiser has to pay for 1,000 views. So this is essentially decided by demand and supply. So the in-demand audiences are the ones with more disposable income. So people in higher income countries, usually older rather than kids and teenagers in general. So gaming YouTubers won't make as much as finance YouTubers per 1,000 views because there's a greater demand for ad space on finance content, because that audience has a much greater return on investment when it comes to ad spend. So those companies can afford to place higher bids. So now we sort of understand how this all works. Let's see how much I make from AdSense. So there we go. In November, I made $365. And these are how much I made for the past few months. Top earning content, the Etsy content, sort of e-commerce. So usually making around $300 to $400 on YouTube every month. So as I've explained, it's all based around views, and subscribers is not directly relevant to your ad income like what a lot of people would assume. Now, where subscriber count is relevant is that the potential of the video to get promoted by YouTube algorithm is based on data from views. So if you do have subscribers, then you'll get those initial views faster, and the algorithm can collect that data faster, but it is possible to make money from ad revenue even if you don't have a lot of subscribers. You just need those minimum requirements and then get approved and connecting an AdSense account. Now, AdSense is actually not where I make most of my money from YouTube. The majority of my YouTube related income comes from affiliate commissions. So this is where people click on a unique link that I own to purchase a product or service. And if they decide to purchase, then I get a percentage of that sale as a commission, but it's not an extra cost for them. So I haven't taken on a paid sponsorship yet. Right now, I'm pretty wary of these sponsor deals in general, especially with what's happening recently in the YouTube and business and finance space. A lot of scam sponsors going around. So that's kind of concerning. And I've never really felt the need to promote random things that I don't use, but this especially has made me quite hesitant to take on sponsors, but I guess we'll see. So for affiliate income, this is the product I make the most from. It's a monthly subscription based digital software. It's a research tool that I use myself to help me sell on Etsy, and I've also recommended it to other people. They pay out around once a month, and I make anywhere from $300 to $400 a month pretty consistently from this software at the moment. If people sign up using my link, they get a 20% discount, and there's also a 3-day free trial, so they can cancel at any time during that free trial and not get charged to make sure the product is good for them. Now, for some other products, I make a bit less. So this was all the way from 2021 to today. So this all totals around about $200 extra from these other products because I don't really promote them as much. I do have the links on my website, and if people click on them and a transaction is made, then I get commissions from those. I've actually made a whole video about affiliate marketing if you want to know more about that. I also get a few affiliate sales from my website, Google SEO, Google traffic, but I'm assuming 95% of affiliate purchases are from my YouTube. So ad revenue and affiliate income varies from month to month, but in total I make around $800 to $1,000 per month on YouTube at the moment. So those of you that picked C, well done, you were correct. Now, finally, I just want to say that I am really blessed and grateful to all my subscribers and anyone that watches my content, really for giving me the opportunity to make money being creative and doing something that I enjoy. So thank you for watching. And if you don't have a YouTube channel, hopefully this video's convinced you to start one. Keep in mind that I do have a comparatively high CPM because I make videos in the e-commerce business, finance, and also like graphic design niche. So these are sort of higher CPM topics, but as you can see, it is definitely possible to monetize a content creation business with YouTube, affiliate marketing and sponsorships if you want those, and also ad revenue, of course. So end of the day, regardless of money, it's still a great way to improve a lot of useful skills like presentation, design, editing, and I feel even more confident in sort of public speaking doing presentations at uni, that kind of stuff, and just being able to express myself more clearly and concisely. I've noticed quite an improvement in all those really important skills since I started YouTube. So I think being a content creator is definitely a net positive for me, regardless of the money. Anyway, hopefully you found this video interesting, and I'll see you in the next one.